Rat race people, how we doing? This is Lucas Piper here. Really excited for this upcoming weekend. I think we have a sold out event, a packed house. I'm actually at one of our Airbnbs here. We're just building this new deck. And right here we're going to be doing a bocce ball court actually. So this is just an example of one of the things that we do here on Airbnb. We're out of our house right now for 3 weeks for South by Southwest. We're staying at this Airbnb. This is one of my clients' houses. And so we're basically staying here almost free because while we're here, we're just adding a ton of value to the house. So I'm looking over the contractors. We got the deck in, we got the pergola in, getting this bocce ball court, doing a bunch of repairs. So this thing is going to be ready. It's like right by the lake, so it's going to be ready for summer, and it's going to be an absolute killer. And so this is kind of the lifestyle we've been able to create through Airbnb. We have our house cash flowing about $10K this month for South by Southwest while we're staying in another house almost for free, living on the lake. So that's pretty cool. So that's kind of be, some of the stuff that we're teaching y'all is how from when I left my job in June, when I had, I believe, 4, and to today, we just signed 4 luxury Airbnbs in San Antonio last week, which brings us up to 25. It looks like this year, from today to next year, it looks like we're going to be at about 1.8 to 2 million in revenue, which is pretty amazing. And so we're doing that through the houses we own, through arbitrage, but mostly through co-hosting. So we're going to talk through in depth each one of those and try to figure out what is the best for you, what is the best for your family. So that can be different with the, how much money you have, how much time you have, all of those things. So we really want to focus on, I think where people really get stuck in this industry is analyzing deals and figuring out what cash flow can look like. So we're going to spend a lot of time looking at different Airbnbs, and I'm going to show you how I can find the numbers with those. I think you guys focus a lot on the buying side too, so we're going to focus a lot on that co-hosting, how to run numbers for clients, and then also the arbitrage model. So we're really excited to do that. We want to show you guys how we furnish our houses. I always talk about the why for a house. Who are we attracting to that house, right? Because if we're furnishing it and we furnish for the wrong groups, we're not going to maximize that revenue. So how do we figure that out, and then how do we furnish it that way? We're going to show you all the technology that we're using to kind of systematize things. We have 2 full-time virtual assistants in the Philippines that are absolutely amazing, that at this point are kind of running my company at, one is at $5 an hour, the other one is at $7 an hour. They're bringing massive value to my company, and so I want to show you how you can kind of utilize those virtual assistants and the technology to make this industry that can be tough since it's hospitality. It's this mix between real estate and hospitality. We want to show you how to make that easier. So anyways, I'm really, really looking forward to this weekend. Bring your questions. Anything that you want to talk about, we're going to put that on the table. I want to show you every part of my business and how I've been running it. And I want to hear and transform you to think about, how are you going to run yours? How are you going to scale? What is your goal? How much do you want to make? We want to get you there. All right, y'all. We'll see you this weekend. Bye-bye.